After the notoriety gained by Sealab II, particularly Scott Carpenter's 30-day world record stay on the bottom at 200+ feet, the Navy decided to move ahead with another program called Sealab III. In 1969, Sealab III was lowered off the coast of San Clemente, California, to an unbelievable 610 feet, almost 3 times as deep as Sealab II. From the beginning, it was full of problems. Because of the massive pressure at that depth, all the surface video cameras showed that a lot of the seals, particularly around the viewing ports, were leaking. A team of divers was sent down in order to open it up. The first team out, Bob Barth, and you can remember Bob Barth all the way back from the early work with George Bond with the Navy's program, saturation program. Bob Barth and Barry Cannon were the first 2 divers to go out and try to unlock the Sealab III habitat and get the leak stopped. The water was very, very cold. They were breathing air through mass, through a line that was hooked to the surface. And as Bob Barth was trying to force the door open of Sealab III, he looked around and saw that Barry Cannon was in some type of problem. So by the time he could get to Barry Cannon had already lost consciousness. They took him back to the chamber that had lowered him down, and with the team of divers that took an incredible lot of time, decompression time, to get to the surface. By then, Barry Bond, by the time they got to the surface, Barry Cannon was already pronounced dead. Later investigation showed that the mask, the breathing system that he was using, when it was prepared, somebody had forgot to put in the charcoal canister that would remove. Later investigation showed that the breathing apparatus that Barry Cannon used, when it was prepared at the surface, somebody had inadvertently left out the charcoal canister that was supposed to remove the carbon dioxide from the air that he was breathing. It failed to do that. He succumbed to carbon dioxide poisoning. Needless to say, Sealab was scrapped. There were Navy inquiries, and after that, the Navy as a body really didn't get back in to its own underwater research program of the 1960s, other than their participation as a side player in the tech type program.